To embed video in an HTML5 document, we can use the video element. Inside the element, we can set various attributes. First, we can set the width and height using fixed dimensions or percentage. In this example, we have the width set to 600 pixels. So you can see that the video width stays at 600 pixels regardless of the browser window size. If we set it to 100%, the video will take up the full content area of the web browser. We can use the controls attribute to specify if we want the user to be able to see the control menu. This includes the play button, the progress bar, the volume and full screen controller. If you do not want the controls, simply remove the controls attribute. And after saving the file, you can see that the controller is no longer there. Remember to add an autoplay attribute if you remove the controls. Otherwise, the video will not play automatically and your user will have no way to play the video. So I'll save the file and refresh, and you can see that the video now starts automatically. The autoplay attribute does not work in mobile devices like iPads and iPhones, so that is something to keep in mind. The video element requires that we specify the source of the video. We've included a demo video you can use in the downloads folder corresponding to this lesson. Just make sure that you place the video in the same directory that you've saved this HTML file into. The video is titled ya.mp4. Next to the source, we've specified the video type. And underneath the source tag, it's a good idea to notify the user if their browser does not support the video tag. That way they'll know to update their browser. And lastly, close the video tag. And so as you can see, it's fairly easy to work with this element.